Hello, I want to teach you how you can set guides or rulers in Photoshop. So, for example, you want to achieve this. Look, these are the guides. Like, let's delete them. Let's delete. Let's delete. Let's delete. So you press Ctrl R. So press Ctrl R. You see this option comes up here. Let me show you. You see, see this option. It comes up like that, or you also see this at this end like this. So let's clear it off. Then you come here, drag your roller section like this, and then readjust. You still drag from this point. See, bring it up like this, drag it down. See, bring it up again. Now drop it like this. Okay, let's undo everything. If you don't want it that way, come to view, you see guide here. Select guide, come to new guide. So you can now say you can even change the color self. You can even change the color to, let's say, red, for instance. You click on OK, click on custom, horizontal, anyhow you want it. This these are the how you can achieve it. So on this guide section, you can say clear guide or new guide. So that's just one way, or new layout. Let's say we want to lock guide. From here, nothing will change that position. So thank you, and if you love our tutorial, please support us by subscribing. Thank you. See you at the top.